People are seeing me as a subject matter expert. People are seeing me as a strategist, and people are coming me for a trusted advisory, or trusted understanding of the solution of the approach. That's the one change I can clearly see. My persona was that way, that I not only see the problem, but immediately jump into a solution, right? And that the period of the planning and putting a proper thought was very less. I immediately jumped and tried to build something, do a proof of concept, and I always admired at that time of fail first, fail fast sort of approach. But but often it does not work, and often it leads to a lot of cost. When I was doing a PhD, the point is, it was getting so much academic, right? So much into theory. Every time I'm doing some of these research activities or some of these studies which I'm doing, I was not able to relate back in practical what I was doing on ground with my business. Earlier I was Rajan, and now I'm being called Dr. Rajan, so that makes a big difference. People are actually taking it forward, and that actually encouraged me further to write a comprehensive book on those theoretical frameworks. DBA or PhD is the only study, or maybe highest degree, that change your name, at least surname, right? So you bring doctor in front of you. It means this is not just a title. This is kind of a stamp. There's a kind of responsibility that is given to you. Society has given you enough. Now it's time to give back. I want to be a kid. I want to give back. I want to really forget the kind of situations I have gone through. I really want to forget the kind of effort which I made. I just want to go and enjoy the moment. I wanted to say, this is my moment. This is my ceremony, and this is what I'm supposed to get.